Let's integrate this problem using u substitution. Let u negative 2x raised to 3. Now get the derivative of u with respect to x. Du is equals to 3 times negative 2, negative 6, x raised to 2 dx. We can divide this with negative 6. Cancel. Negative du over 6 is equals to x raised to 2 dx. We can simplify this. Cancel. Cancel. Now, substitute everything into the integral. The integral of e raised to u negative du over 6. We can take this outside of the integral. Negative 1 over 6. The integral of e raised to u du. Now, integrate this e raised to u plus c. Substitute u, e raised to negative 2, x raised to 3 plus c. Bring down, or simply negative e raised to negative 2x raised to 3 plus c over 6.